Mendeley's Web Importer allows you to import information about some academic sources online. Search for the Web Importer and then follow the usual method of adding extensions for your own browser. Currently, Mendeley supports Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Find the reference you want to add to Mendeley, then click the Mendeley Web Importer icon. You may be asked to sign in. Remember to check that the details imported are accurate. Mendeley will spot duplicate entries and help you to resolve this.